When we all spoke at the time of listing about corporate governance, transparency, so on and so forth, and as far as compliance is concerned. Normally, what we are finding in the proprietorship concern that all these things are lacking. Okay. So when you are getting your company listed, liability is one part that we don't want to have only 1% liability and everything. At the same time, you want that there should be a proper structure, proper corporate governance, and as per clause 49 and 52, 50% independent director, 50% director. At the same time, when you have more and more shareholders, the company, there is a need to convert it to from proprietorship to public limited company. So all these functions together don't allow the proprietorship concern to get listed. And I don't think, I had seen in last 2 years, I had seen at least 500 balance sheet PL account of the company. Let me tell you, there is no difficulty in converting this proprietorship concern into public limited company. I don't think so. That is the main reason. The main reason is the awareness. Most of these promoters are technocrats. They don't understand the financial literacy, and they are very much dependent on the charter accountant. Now, without talking about him, the way he talks, it seems that he knows more about capital market than about taxation. But most of the charter accountant knows taxation more than wealth creation. And when you are listing on the stock exchange, it is shifting from taxation model to wealth creation model. So these things will come into play only when there is a shift from proprietorship model to limited company model and all those things.